Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use OP AutoClicker. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser, right? And then look for OP AutoClicker. Click on this first website, then choose or click on the download button right over here, right? Now this might take a few seconds, then it will automatically download this for you. And it should be done in less than a few seconds. You can click on this exe file now, and it will automatically open up AutoClicker. Now next, you can minimize your browser so we can focus on AutoClicker. Here, you can choose which mouse to use, and for example, left and right or in the middle, and then use single or double click and set how many times it should repeat over this section. Then you can adjust the click interval by milliseconds, seconds, minutes, or hours over here. You can also choose the current cursor position or pick a specific spot on your screen. Now, once done, you can click on Start or hit F6 on your keyboard to begin clicking. And then use the hotkey settings if you want to change anything. For example, here, going to click on it, and you will have the button to start or stop. Mine is currently by default F6. You can easily customize this to anything you want. Just make sure to click on or press on OK. You now know how to use OP Clicker to automate mouse clicks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.